Water is one of the world's most fundamental elements. It makes up about 70% of the Earth's surface and a similar percentage of our bodies. Each day, we have an intimate interaction with water. For most of us, this starts with our showers. Our showers are deeply personal, our alone time to wake up, to think, to rejuvenate, to unwind. At Nebbia, we set out to see if we could make this important part of our daily rituals better in every way. We started with a need. Carlos, one of our co-founders, ran a large fitness club company and was deeply concerned about the high use of water. Together with his father, Emilio, they searched for a solution. It turns out, showers are one of the highest wasters of water, and there hasn't been any meaningful innovation in over a century. Nearly 5 years later, dozens of prototypes built. We've had 500 people try it, and now we think we've built something pretty special. Imagine being totally embraced by water from the moment you step into your shower. Imagine an experience with water so moving, you never want to step out. Your skin feels soft and hydrated. Nebbia is about experiencing water in a way that you never have before.
To innovate on the shower experience, we had to look outside of the current industry and approach the engineering problem from a completely new angle. The last half-century of nozzle technology has completely changed what we can do with droplet sizes and distributions. However, this technology has only been applied to very specialized fields, like rocket engines and medical devices. We use these same tools and technology to develop Nebbia. What we do is atomize streams of water into millions of tiny droplets. By doing this, we can achieve 10 times the surface area of water compared to a regular shower while using a fraction of the volume.
I just got out of my first Nebbia shower. It was a totally unique experience and I loved it. I was getting hit with these little water droplets.
I love the feeling of all the droplets hitting your skin. It's like you're being enveloped by water.
And as an Airbnb host, there are a lot of showers going on in my place. And this is important. You know, this thing is, it not only make the experience better for my guests, but it saves me money.
It felt great. Like, it was a really fun, comfortable experience.
The whole thing just felt awesome.
I could take that shower every day.
We put Nebbia to the test. On average, Americans take about 8 minutes to shower. With a normal shower, that's over 20 gallons of water. With a Nebbia, it's only 6. That's 70% less water.
We built Nebbia to be easy to install. You simply unscrew your existing shower and screw on Nebbia with a wrench, some plumber's tape, and included adhesive. You don't have to call the plumber or break tile. In addition, Nebbia slides up and down a couple of feet, pivots at an angle, and includes a portable wand, which you can position wherever you choose. Nebbia provides a totally new and refreshing shower experience. We've partnered with world-class design firm BoxClever to create a design that is both beautiful and intuitive, yet offers a totally new degree of adjustability. On top of that, the water and energy savings just make sense. We've set out to build a company that will transform the way we interact with water over the course of the next few decades. We've assembled a team of thermofluids experts to solve some of the difficult engineering challenges that have prevented innovation in showers for a long time. And finally, we're ready to bring Nebbia to the world. And we've decided to start with you, the Kickstarter community. Our US-based manufacturers are ready to go, and all we need is your initial support. Thank you, Kickstarter.
Starts here, with Nebbia. As soon as I step in, the outside world just fades away. Millions of drops of water are waking up my body. I take it all in and let it all go. I save water and I feel more hydrated. A few special minutes set the tone for the rest of my day. My mind is clear. My skin is soft. Every day is a clean.
So nice!
It's not what I was expecting. I feel refreshed. It's like walking through a cloud that cleans you.
I ended up looking up and just kind of like this, as it just kind of rained down. Super cool. It's like very misty.
It feels like a hot cloud, but it actually gets going fast. So it actually was really quick to get it wet, get the shampoo on, off, get the conditioner on. Yeah, it was fun. I almost didn't want to get out.
It was great. It was felt amazing. It was just like a really satisfying shower.
I like it. It's kind of a
different feel and very refreshing. It was good to know that it saves water.
It's very refreshing. I can do that again.
I want.
Amazing!
It was good. It was amazing.
C'était vachement cool.
It was great. Totally exceeded my expectations.
霧が降ってくるような新感覚ですごい気持ちいいんですよ。
It's like walking through a cloud that cleans you.
It was like a massage, like powerful but yet soft.
You're getting a nice central glass. I think for the guys that who work on, you feel that like on your chest, you feel it on your hair.
Very nice, but my skin feels softer coming out of it. I was surprised by the force.
Pour les cheveux, c'était sans problème.
And you would actually want to stay there like for a long time.
I ended up looking up and just kind of like this, and it just kind of rained down.
本当これは買うしかないと思います。ありがとうございました。
C'est beaucoup plus confortable et en plus c'est souple.
Amazing!
¿Cómo está la ducha, Tom? Bien. ¿Cómo es? Son gotitas más chiquitas. Wow. ¿Y cómo se siente? Sí, mira, ¡ay, mágico!